In 2010, a big idea was born. What if we got government and private partners in the community together to create a region that's building better health, living safely, and thriving? We called it Live Well San Diego. Several years later, Live Well has become a movement, hundreds of partners in the community sharing what is now the county's vision. You can't tell if you're successful unless you track your progress. We've started to see trends that show how working together creates successful outcomes. These top 10 indicators are organized into 5 areas of influence that we know are essential for overall health and well-being. Let's begin with health. The numbers show people are living longer and being more independent later in life.
Brown rice?
To drive this change, partners are joining with the county to host health fairs, fitness classes, and conferences focused on chronic disease prevention and aging well that connect attendees with information and resources. New technology platforms are being designed to better connect people with the services they need, ranging from housing to medication and many things in between. Events like Love Your Heart and the Live Well San Diego 5K create opportunities for people to come together and make healthy choices with free blood pressure screenings and physical activity that supports blood donations for those in need. Next comes knowledge, measured by the number of people with high school and college degrees. Education influences economic, social, and psychological well-being. Community partners offer training and mentorship programs to ensure people from diverse backgrounds have the knowledge and skills they need to thrive. After-school and summer reading programs help improve literacy and keep kids out of trouble. The third area of influence is standard of living, which looks at the unemployment rate and cost of living. Financial stability is essential. Having enough resources to afford the basics has a positive influence on your health and well-being. And that extends to the entire community. Partners are helping by offering financial literacy classes for seniors, veterans, and young adults. Job training programs and networking events help people land their next job. Local businesses are creating employee wellness programs and events that encourage staff to eat healthier, take stretch breaks, and even bike to work. The community area of influence includes measures of safety, looking at crime rates and the environment, both air quality and easy access to green spaces. Partners are helping to make the environment cleaner and greener by hosting waste-saving symposiums and funding bikeability improvement plans.
We've got spinach, carrots, snow peas.
Empty lots are being converted into community gardens where neighbors are joining together to grow healthy food for themselves and their loved ones. And youth are completing restorative justice programs and graduating from resident leader training academies that set them up to be advocates for positive change, including safer streets and cleaner outdoor spaces. And finally, in the social area of influence, we're measuring support for vulnerable populations and volunteer rates, how we are supporting each other to live well. We know that communities thrive when people get to know their neighbors. People feel safer being outside. Crime goes down. People get more exercise if they're connected to others. The county and partners are working together to encourage community connections and engaged citizens. Did you know that San Diego County is one of the largest refugee resettlement sites in the state of California, welcoming newly arriving refugees from across the world? Partners help out with services designed to make a difficult transition to a new country a little easier. Food donation events and beach cleanup days make it easier for San Diegans to come together for the greater good. And cooking classes and meal delivery services ensure that aging adults have healthy food to eat. As more partners join the movement, they're expanding the reach of collective efforts through innovative programs and services. Together with the leadership of the San Diego County Board of Supervisors and supported by county staff, more than 200 recognized partners are helping San Diegans be healthy, safe, and thriving for generations to come.